You say the okay. What's happening now? This is how they cry like this.
Oh, now I'm my neighbor.
What did one?
I tell you that woman, you know, say me a Muslim I be. They are not big salad. I give her food chop. Small salad. I give her food chop. This Christmas now, where come now? I can say, I talk I get the family for say, I go chop for inside. I go there now, they say the woman don't die.
Don't die.
I go there now, they say you don't die.
Hey, come.
He shot you.
Where you gone? They carry as they go now.
Not like this, no. I be working myself for my house.
Look at you.
You go and carry me at 8:30 my neck. The thing you go to pay me before I die. That's why I no want use. I no want hack myself because the thing go to pay me.
What you
I got say my make I drink poison. Make I kill myself. I got to say if I say my take poison now, but let me pay me before I die. No one suffer before I die.
Why you waiting make you one die?
I won't kill myself.
Why?
I won't go meet the woman. As the woman don't die now, I won't kill myself.
How many times did they tell you before you know that
Okay, you won't meet her
Nigeria?
from where she died.
I won't go where they bury her. I won't
That
kill
means you
myself.
go stop her Christmas food.
I won't chop her
not too
Christmas food. I
much.
must kill myself, go meet her. Like this girl and where I go there. And the fact person where go fit kill me once. I don't need the one where be say they go. I will go front. I will go kill myself, go meet that man. I must stop that Christmas food. You must pay my Christmas food.